Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Enoch the Trader. I have come back with a new concept. Now the new concept I have come with is to tell you what is happening in the market. In the previous videos, I was just giving general information, but at the moment I want now to start giving you what is really happening in the market at the moment now. Now, I don't know if you're able to see the date down here. The date is 12th of June. We are on the 12th of June. That's when is the time I'm shooting. I don't know when I'm going to send this one on the YouTube, but I am recording on the 12th of June 2025. I want you to just take note of that. Okay? It is on 12th of June 2025. That's when I'm recording this. I believe by the time I am sending this video, I'll upload this video on my channel. Everything I'm saying will have already played out. Okay, so now this is what I want you to know. The date when I'm recording this is already there. I believe it's showing on the screen. It's here down on the screen. Okay, in the down right corner, I believe it can be seen 12th of June 2025, and compare it to the time when I'll post it. Maybe I'll post a week from now or days from now, but just have that at the back of your mind. Okay, so now I want to talk about how to trade the USD based pairs. Next time I'm going to talk about how to trade the JPY based pairs. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about. So let's limit ourselves to USD based pairs. USD based pairs, how do you trade them? What is the first basic knowledge that you need to know about the USD pairs? The first thing you need to know is to know certain pairs in mind. At the back of your mind, you should have information of certain pairs for you to know how to trade USD based pairs. Number one currency that you need to know is called DXY. DXY is the average of the US dollar. So here I have got USD index. We call it USD index or DXY. That's the first currency that you need to know, and it can also be traded, by the way. Now this one tells you what is happening to the USD currency. So if you know what is happening to the USD currency, then you are able to know what is happening with the pairs associated with USD currency. So in this case, what we have is USD index or DXY. What pattern is it telling us? And this is a daily time frame. In the daily time frame, it has formed a head and shoulders. So what does head and shoulder tell us? Head and shoulder reveals to us that actually the market is in a down trend. So now if this market is in the downtrend, what does it mean for the USD dollar? It means the USD dollar is weakening. Okay, the USD dollar is weakening. Now I want to show you also another pair that actually is a twin to the index. It's called USD Swiss franc. Let's go to Swiss franc. It should be saying the same because it's actually the cousin to the index. Okay, we can see that. We can see, can you see the USD Swiss franc also in the daily time frame? What pattern is it forming? It's also forming equally the head and shoulder, telling us that the Swiss franc is strengthening and the US dollar is weakening. This is the other currency, which is almost like the index, USD index or DXY. Now I'm going to show you about 4 of them. The third one that moves almost like the USD index or DXY is also called USD CAD. USD CAD. Man, I'm giving you a lot of information that you might have not come across. US CAD. What is US CAD telling us? Let's look at US CAD. What is US CAD telling us? US CAD is also telling us there's a head, there's a shoulder, and we have a range here, and we are breaking the range here. This is another shoulder. We are coming down. It's almost similar to DXY. They are saying the same. The USD dollar is actually weakening. So all these 3 have told us the USD is weakening. Now the last one that I want to show you is Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. What is Euro USD telling us? Euro USD is telling us it's an inverted head and shoulder. Why? Because the USD is on the right side of the euro. So now we have an inverted head and shoulder. But DX, what is DX telling us? DX, where are you? DXY. DXY is saying head and shoulder. Euro USD is telling us an inverted head and shoulder. By the way, Euro USD is the inverse, is the opposite of the dollar index. Now let me tell you something. Whenever dollar index, the information that dollar index is giving us, when it matches with USD Swiss franc, when it matches with USD Swiss franc, and also matches with USD CAD, and also with the Euro USD, it gives us the general information of what is happening with the US dollar. So these 4 have agreed the US dollar is what is falling, it's weakening, because with the USD index or DXY, we have what we have is a head, and we have a head and shoulder. With USD Swiss franc, we have a head and shoulder. With US CAD, we have a head and shoulder. And then with Euro USD, what do we have? We have an inverted head and shoulder. All these are reversal patterns in the market, and these are daily time frames. These daily time frames tell us where now the monthly time frame is heading. So can you see? I hope you are grasping what I'm telling you. The USD dollar is weakening based on these 4 pairs I have given you. These 4 pairs tell us where the USD is going. So now let's start. Let's check Aussie USD and see where the US dollar is heading. Okay, Aussie USD. What is it telling us? It's telling us the market is in the range. But look at what is happening. The price is moving up, and its head is in a range, and we are waiting for this range to be broken. I want to remind you something. I am recording this on the 12th of June. By the time you're watching, maybe a week later or days later, you'll find out that the USD has extremely weakened already. So Aussie USD, we should expect, because USD index or DXY is telling us the USD is weakening, and the USD Swiss franc is telling us the USD is weakening, and the USD CAD is telling us USD is weakening, and the Euro USD is telling us USD is weakening. Based on the patterns that they are forming, this concludes what is happening generally to the USD pairs. So now this one is Aussie USD in a daily time frame. What is happening here? We are seeing a range, but this range is now moving up, meaning Aussie is going to strengthen against the US dollar. You better believe what I'm telling you. Aussie is going to break out of this zone, this daily zone, and it will start moving up, and USD will continue to weaken. Euro, I have already said, because this is the one that determines to show us where the dollar is going, what's happened to the dollar. Let's go to New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is showing also another pattern here. If you see, it's in a range here, but because of the DXY, USD Swiss franc, USD CAD, and Euro USD, what it is telling us, it implies that New Zealand USD will break out to the upside. New Zealand will strengthen and USD will weaken. That's how you know what is happening to USD pairs. And GBP USD. GBP USD, what do we see here? We are seeing a range again here. Remember, a range is just a pause. But now, because of the information we have with the DXY, USD index, and which is the same, and US Swiss franc, and US CAD, and Euro USD, the pattern that they have formed, the reversal pattern that they have formed, it is telling us what is going to happen to GBP USD. It's going to break to the upside. Pound is going to strengthen. Okay, elsewhere, where do we go? We go to USD JPY. USD JPY, what is it telling us here? US JPY is telling us we have head and shoulder. Remember, the USD in this case is on the left, and then JPY is on the right, implying that the USD will weaken, and it has already shown. The head and shoulder here implies that the USD will weaken, JPY will strengthen, JPY will strengthen. Remember, we are talking about the USD based pairs. What's going to happen to them? Because of what we have, the analysis that we have done on the index, and US CAD, and US Swiss franc, and Euro USD. Okay, so US JPY is going to strengthen, and USD will weaken. Let's go again to another one. Another pair that has got USD in it is called gold. Gold. What is happening to gold here? Gold is ranging, but what do you think is going to happen to gold? Remember, gold is paired with USD. We know what is going to happen. Gold will will strengthen. Why? Because the USD will weaken. Okay, another one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, what do we find, what do we see in Bitcoin here? What we see here with Bitcoin, let's just move this. Bitcoin here has already strengthened, it's an uptrend. What we are having here now is just a pullback. And when this pullback ends, Bitcoin will strengthen and it will move higher. This, my friends, is how we know where the USD based pairs, what is going to happen to the USD pairs, what is going to happen to the USD based pairs by just watching the DXY. I hope you have been blessed. I hope you have been encouraged. I hope you have been enlightened to know what is happening in the market, and watch all these things play out in the market. And I guarantee you they are going to play out. Maybe next time I'm going to give you general information of what's happened to the USD the whole year. I can promise you the whole year USD is going to drop massively against all the major currencies. It's going to take more than a year, I believe. USD will continue to drop. Next time I'm going to tell you about also JPY, what is happening to the JPY, how you can trade the JPY pairs, and also how you, another time I'm going to show you how you are going to how you are supposed to trade the indexes S&P 500, Nasdaq, and also US 30. Thank you very much for watching this video. It has been a pleasure to present to you this wonderful presentation today. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and also share this video with other people. Thank you very much. May God bless you. This has been Enoch the Trader, bringing fresh analysis in the market, telling you what is really happening in the market, and I guarantee you everything is going to happen. Share this video with somebody. Say that this guy called Enoch the Trader and is telling us what is going to happen to the market throughout this year. And let's see if what he's saying is true or not. But I tell you, it's going to happen. Thank you very much. See you the next time when I'll be talking about where the JPY pairs are going to are heading and how to trade them. Thank you. Bye.